welcome to your PDR campus placement. I'm at this particular video for all the candidates who are preparing for the Jio BP company. If this is also visiting your campuses, you must aware some of the important facts related to this company. Now Jio and BP, these are two different companies, and when it comes to a joint venture, it becomes Jio BP Limited, right? So Jio is of Reliance Industries Limited and BP is British Petroleum. When it comes to joint venture, they becomes they have been expanded that facilities and services. Now British Petroleum is related to oil and gas, all these things, and Jio is also providing support by distillation and all this syncing to the customer, which enhances their customer satisfaction too, right? So let's get started, guys, that what are the important pointers we need to keep in mind while we are sitting in the interview of Jio BP. So being a technocrat, you guys can target this company as in the score. So if your objective is also aligned with that, this is going to be give you hit opportunities. Go for that. Whenever you are sitting in any campus placement interviews, you need to prepare. These are the important things. First of all, historical background we must aware, job profile we must aware, team management, mission, vision, products and services, business verticals, current initiatives, all these things we need to prepare it wisely when it comes to any company जब हम campus की preparation करते हैं. Now one more thing I would like to add here, guys, we have already started a HR ready series, ठीक है, where we have talked about the last minute tips, how we need to dress up in the interview, what are the important myths about the interview, so that you need to be must prepare before sitting any interview. इसको prepare करना is one thing, but वो please जरूर अच्छे से prepare कर लेना, because that is going to be help you out to go for your overall personality development, right? So about this particular company, Jio BP, it's officially Reliance BP Mobility Limited, is a joint venture between Reliance Industries Limited and British Petroleum BP with ownership of 51:49 respectively. Headquarters कहाँ है? नवी मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र, India. Jio BP combines Reliance extensive digital and retail presence with the BP's global expertise in what? In basically fuels and mobility. ठीक है, मतलब वो एक दूसरे को दोनों सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं with a ratio of 51:49, right? Company operates over 1700 retail fuel outlets across India and aims to expand up to 5500 outlets in the next 5 years. Jio BP offers a range of mobility solutions including fuels, petrol, diesel, auto, LPG, aviation fuel, lubricants, EV charging infrastructure and convenience retail stores also. Joint Ventures leverages Reliance Jio Digital platform to provide seamless customer experience and enable digital payments and loyalty programs. And now Jio BP is also committed to decarbonization and low carbon mobility solution, including setting up battery swapping and electric vehicle charging networks. ये 21 states in India को operate करती है basically this particular company Jio BP, which is a joint venture of both the companies. If I talk about the key milestone include 2020 में Jio BP वेंचर जो है फॉर्म हुआ था बिटवीन RIL, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड एंड ब्रिटिश पेट्रोलियम. रैपिड एक्सपेंशन ऑफ रिटेल फ्यूल आउटलेट्स, ठीक है, लॉन्च ऑफ Jio BP पल्स ऐप टू फैसिलिटेट EV चार्जिंग स्टेशन, पार्टनरशिप विद ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनीज लाइक महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा फॉर EV चार्जिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ये इसका एक्सपेंशन है. कोर बिजनेसेस क्या क्या है? रिटेल फ्यूल स्टेशन जहां पर रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज अपना बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है, ठीक है, एंड साथ में ब्रिटिश पेट्रोलियम फॉर टॉक अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल चार्जिंग एंड बैटरी स्वैपिंग, लुब्रिकेंट्स एंड कैस्टर ऑयल सेल्स, कन्वीनियंस स्टोर्स एट फ्यूल स्टेशंस, मैनेजमेंट सॉल्यूशन, ट्रांसकनेक्ट, डिजिटल मोबिलिटी सर्विसेज विया Jio BP पल्स ऐप. ये जो Jio BP पल्स ऐप है, इसमें मेजर रिलायंस का ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. वहां पर कस्टमर अपनी सारी चीजों को मॉनिटर कर सकता है, चेकआउट कर सकता है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट मेक्स इट्स इजी टू गो फॉर द कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज, फ्यूल ऑफरिंग, ठीक है, फ्यूल ऑफरिंग है प्रीमियम पेट्रोल, हाई स्पीड डीजल, ऑटो, LPG, EV चार्जिंग एंड बैटरी स्वैपिंग है, lubricants हैं, convenience retail, fleet management, digital services. If I talk about top management, see आपको चेयरमैन CEO कौन है ये जरूर पता होना चाहिए Jio BP, अलग अलग भी. और जब आप इस Jio BP कंपनी के जॉइंट वेंचर की अगर आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए, तो यू गो फॉर दैट इज हरीश मेहता इज द CEO एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ Jio BP, ठीक है. मुकेश अंबानी इज द चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड and Shashi Alakan Mukundan as the president of India and senior vice president of BP Group, ठीक है, जो मैंने अभी बताया कि अलग अलग भी पता होना चाहिए. करंट इनिशिएटिव क्या है? EV इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, एक जो Jio BP ऐप है, fuel quality and additive programs are also there, digital transformation and customer experience जो कि GOBP Pulse app जो मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया, sustainability and low carbon mobility is also there, commitment to net zero carbon operations and ecosystem decarbonization by 2030. Current news if I'll talk about partnerships with EV mobility, fleet electrification deals, expansion of charging networks, customer support enhancement. So this is all about the important pointers of GOBP. Now comes lot of important HR questions. In this particular like document there are only 3 जो कि बहुत important है. What do you know about the GOBP? Then how you are going to be contributing the growth of that GOBP and why do you want to join, right? सी डिटेल आंसर यहाँ पर गिवन है. स्टिल आई टॉक अबाउट कि व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट GOBP. आपको जॉइंट वेंचर्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए जो 2020 में फॉर्म हुआ है. यू ऑफ कोर्स यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर अबाउट दैट कि यू नो वेरिड कि जियो कब हुआ था, BP ब्रिटिश पेट्रोलियम कब हुआ था, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, इसका बेसिकली सर्विस क्या प्रोवाइड करता है ये, एंड व्हेन इट हैज बीन इनकॉर्पोरेटेड द वेरी फर्स्ट, राइट. Then it comes to why do you want to join BP? That you can say your objective are also aligning with the goals of GOBP. Right, and being a technocrat, it offers your core domain services, core domain opportunities where you can contribute your technical qualification and skills. How are you going to be contributing that? With your sustainable planning, with your adaptability skills, with your innovation and creative ideas that you will help you out in the growth of this particular GOBP company. And there are such more important HR questions which you must prepare with your peer mentors in live sessions with you can say of various domains. SWOT analysis part is there, organization based question is there, project internship based question is there, case studies, situation based question are there, and many more. So for best of the practice, join your PDR module right now for the campus placement and prepare it well in live sessions. All the best. Good luck.